Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily. We're going to get started in a gentle walk. I'm going to meet you back here. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to walk for 10 minutes in a gentle, low impact, beginner friendly walk. So starting here, this is our home base, a simple walk in place. We have 4 basic moves. This is the first one. If you ever get hung up on any of the other moves, come back here. We always return back to this home base. Nice. So just start out at a pace that serves you. If you're like me, I'm not warmed up right now, so take your time getting warmed up. Find your breath. If we've not met yet, my name is Emily. I am a registered nurse, a yoga instructor, and a wellness professional, and I create videos here on YouTube to help you feel more confident, find more balance and strength in your own body at any age, any season of life. If that sounds like something you're into, you have found the right place, my friend. We're making it happen today. Nice job. So I'm going to show you the other moves. So walk in place. We always come back here. The next move is going to be a knee lift. So it's simple. We're just going to exaggerate the walk in place by lifting the knee up and up. Keep an upright spine if possible. Belly button gently draws in. Find your breath. Move the arms. So arms are kind of secondary here. If you just want to move them or have them by your side, that's fine. And we're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your walk right here. Nice job. Move the body in a healthy way every single day, and that's what we're going to do today. We're making it happen. This is going to be a nice low impact workout. If you're short on time, it's a great one. You can kind of squeeze this in any time of day. Nice. Keep moving. Our next move is going to be a kick. You might have a chair or something close by, something for added stability if you feel a little off balance today. It's just a kick and a kick, yeah. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and get the arms involved. Maybe opposite hand reaches for his opposite toe as you kick and kick. Whew. Warming the body up right here. You got it. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your home base, back to your walk. I feel a nice cool breeze coming on, so nice. I'm actually filming this in my backyard. It's about 90 degrees right now, which is wild, but I have a lot of shade right here, not a bunch of sunlight, and it feels really nice, especially with that breeze. Keep moving. Next move is going to be a side step. I'm going to step over here. Use the space you have. So we're going to step and step. So I'm kind of stepping uphill. Again, just use what you got. Take these big or small shapes. It's your choice. Pulling in my yoga experience. I always say yogi's choice here, but of course we're not practicing yoga right now. Doing a little cardio. Nice job. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to home base, return here, walk it out. I'd love to know where you're working out from. Where are you located? Who are you working out with? Oftentimes I have my little buddy Charlie. He's a rescue dog. It's just a little too warm out here for him today though. But yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know where you're from. I'd love to hear from you. By now you're probably warmed up, getting that heart rate up in a safe way, also bringing our respirations up. Nice job. Let's get the arms involved. We're gonna reach up, down, out, and back in. Yeah. Find your rhythm, keep moving the feet. Working on our balance here, our coordination. Strengthening the whole body. So walking is a full body, full dynamic workout. So you're doing it, you're in the thick of it. Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return back to your walk. Nice job, go for it. Maybe you lift the feet a little higher, maybe pump the arms a bit more. I hope you have something for hydration close by, and please, during this workout and then following the workout, drink lots and lots of water. rehydrate yourself, replenish those cells, take good care of your body. All right, let's do an up and back. So we're gonna walk forward, again, using the space you have, and then walk it back. Forward and back. How about one more time forward? One more time back. Nice job. I had to check on my time there. Keep moving. All right. Take the feet wide here. Wide stance. Sink the hips down a little bit more. Check in with the knees. See if this feels okay with your knees. If it doesn't, don't sink down as low. Let's take a knee lift. So same as our other knee lifts, just with the legs wide. Here we go. Lift up and up. Yeah. Maybe opposite hand taps opposite knee. Woo, yeah, have some fun here. Breathe. If you ever need to, take your talk test. So say a 5 to 6 word sentence. If you can say the whole thing without getting too winded, you're in good shape. If you can't say the whole thing, back out of it, slow things down, return when you're ready. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to your walk. Nice job. Whew. Breathe. So some really cool studies I've been reading about, learning about, are about the benefits of walking. You know, you could be walking outside on a treadmill. You could be walking in your own home like I often do. But they say just a 5 to 10 minute walk is so incredibly beneficial for your health. So a couple things that it can help with. For one, a 5 to 10 minute walk after a meal, so like 60 to 90 minutes after a meal, can actually help reduce your blood glucose levels. So fantastic for especially type 2 diabetics that have issues moderating or regulating their blood sugar. Walking has also been proven to increase your creativity levels by up to 66%. And bonus, if you can get out in nature, that also helps elevate your creativity levels. Nice job. Let's take our knee lifts. Here we go, lift and lift. Maybe arms reach this time, high to the sky. Really stretch through the fingertips. Go for the gold. Your pace, not mine. As always, make this workout work for you. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Return to your walk. I'm gonna pop up here and just check on our time. Good, we are coming up on 8 minutes. See how fast this goes. So fast, so much fun. I love creating these videos and I love hearing from my students and people all over the world. So I would love to connect with you on a deeper level. Feel free to reach out in the comments. Towards the end of this video, I will give you another option to connect with me a little bit further. Keep going. Woo. Nice job. Let's take a toe tap with an arm reach. Here we go. Watch it. Join me when you're ready. It's going to be a tap out and a tap out. Get those arms up. Yeah. Little modified jumping jack here. We're never learning dance moves. If you feel a little dancey, I encourage you to go for it. Have a little dance time here. Whew. Thank goodness for this breeze today. Feels really great. Here we are, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to that walk. You got this. You got it. We're making this happen. So proud of you today. I'm so glad we could take a walk together. Let's take our kicks again. Here we go, kick and kick. How high can you get that leg? Maybe reach opposite hand towards opposite toes. Nice job. Keep moving. Little twist here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Return to the walk. Go for it. Keep moving. Yes. So proud of you. You got this. Now stay right here. Walk it out. See if you can get the feet a little higher. Pump the arms a little faster. We're going to finish strong. Mother Nature's telling me, okay, it's about time. The wind is just blowing. It feels so nice. Blow out that air, check in, take your talk test if you need to. Keep it going. Nice job. Coming up on 10 minutes. You got it. Keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, yes, you did it. High fives. Great job. Slow it down. Nice job. Slow it down. We're not going to skip the cool down. We always want to bring the heart rate back down in a controlled way. Find some stability here. Take the feet wide. Take an inhale. Sweep your arms high. Mirroring breath with movement. Exhale, let it go. 2 more of those. Inhale, sweep the arms, lift up. Exhale, soften and release. And last time, inhale, sweep the arms tall. Exhale, drop it down, let it go. Shake it out. Nice job. Take one arm high to the sky, a full stretch here. Really inhale, grow the fingertips taller. Exhale, fold the other direction. Banana pose. Release that arm down, second side, lift up. Exhale, fold the other direction. Nice job. Maybe windmill the arms softly back and forth here. Have some fun. For 3, 2, and 1. If your arm's in the sky, release it down, shake it on out. Well done today. So proud of you. This was a great adventure for us. I hope you enjoyed that. So if you would like to connect with me on a deeper level, please head over to my website. It's emilydaugherty.com. Over there you can grab your gentle stride guide. That's a beginner's guide to in-home walking. And also keep an eye out for stuff. I am planning a upcoming health coaching course. I'm so excited. This is the first time I'm announcing it, but yes, that will be coming in the next couple of months. So keep an eye on that. If you sign up for your Gentle Stride Guide, you'll automatically be placed on my email list. I send out a weekly wellness email newsletter, so you can check on that, and then I will let you know when the health coaching course is available. All right, in the meantime, please like, share, and subscribe. Share with a friend. That just helps get more people involved and more people spread the good word. When you move better, you feel better. All right, thanks so much. I will talk to you again in a few days. Bye-bye.